All right, this is what's going on. We just took over Alphonse's boat. Me, Anthony, Mike. We're coming out here. We'll go out to the basin first. See what we can see.
I never seen that formula. That ain't that boat, is it? Ain't one of your boats?
Boat's trash. Sour Sea, I can't believe made it, expand it well. Are we not taking on water here in this boat?
Are we?
I don't know. You want to check?
No problem.
I think we're taking on water in this boat.
Are you serious?
No.
Get the fuck back. No water back here.
No water, good. All right.
Dragging a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit. Anchorage. Boat. Spin around. Yeah.
What?
Spin around and see if we can make it back. This guy anchored. This guy did it right.
Just pull right in here.
Maybe. No.
What? So we sinking, dude?
No.